This is a post unboxing of the Acer Aspire X3470 mini desktop computer. The box is, as you see behind it, and there is the computer. In the box you also get a mouse with a PS2 plug, a keyboard with a user information sheet and a PS2 plug, a power cable, 4 blank CDs, a warranty in many languages, some kind of certificate, and instructions on how to set it up. And this is the box. Let's take that away. The computer has a vent at the top. The front looks a bit sexy. This thing can come down, revealing some USB ports and various other openings in the box. This thing opens up as well. That is for your DVD drive. The power on button. Some more vents on the side. This is what the computer looks like on the back side. Power cable, PS2 plugs, HDMI, DVI, USB, USB 3, some extra sound plugs, networking. Weird thingy here. Some what looks like a what could be another port over there. Some holes for doing something. That looks like a Kensington lock. And then on this side you have nothing much, just the Windows license. And on the other side, underside, you have these 2 rubber feet. And that's it.